Ever heard of a pressure cooker that comes with 2 pressure settings? Yes, you heard me right. Meyer has introduced the revolutionary Presta pressure cooker that comes with 2 pressure settings. It has one gentle setting and one speed cooking setting. To make you understand that clearly, let's briefly understand how pressure cookers work. The cooker seal of the utensil helping in maintaining a pressure inside that cooks the food faster, and since there is no kind of evaporation of the liquid, you require very less liquid to cook it and it keeps the food moist. The one problem with the existing pressure cookers is that you can't really control the pressure inside, and since every ingredient cooks at a different pressure, we get inconsistent cooking with your regular pressure cookers. Now that is the exact problem that we are targeting with the Presta pressure cooker. If you are cooking softer or lighter foods that don't really require that much pressure, use the number 1 setting on the pressure cooker, which is the gentle setting, so that you get properly cooked ingredients that are not mushy and not overcooked. In case you are cooking harder or tougher foods like unsoaked rajma, chane or lamb that require a lot of time and pressure, use the number 2 setting on the cooker to use the speed cooking setting so that it cooks faster and it takes less of your energy. You can seamlessly switch between level 1 and level 2 settings so that you can cook anything as per your requirements. Another thing that this pressure cooker boasts proudly are the safety features that are given in this product, and there are many. So let me tell you more about them. It has automatic and safe locking for opening and closing the lid because of the mechanical locking safety device that safely secures the lid, coupled with the pressure indicator valve that rises when the pressure is built inside and drops when the pressure is released and the cooker is safe to open. It also has directional pressure release regulators that release the steam safely away from you, unlike the traditional pressure cookers. The handles will always stay cool for a comfortable and confident grip. Another safety feature is that in case the liquid inside the pressure cooker finishes and there is a lot of dry heat and pressure inside the cooker, the fusible safety plugs will melt, thus releasing the pressure and keeping you safe. As another safety feature, a slit is provided in the lid so that in case the pressure goes above the normal level, the rubber beading will slide through the slit, thus releasing the pressure and keeping everything under control. The Presta pressure cooker also has a fully encapsulated stainless steel base with aluminium core inside for even heat distribution. All of these features combined give this particular pressure cooker European safety standards that are the highest standard for consumer safety and even environmental protection. To sum it all up, the Presta pressure cooker is the safest pressure cooker that you can get, and because of all of its features, it is super user friendly, making you in charge of all the end results of your dishes.